Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you string charts ideas. So friends, I hope you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, string art is a simple and beautiful way to create amazing design with just some nails, colorful string, and a wooden board. You can make something special. You can create flower, heart, star, names, or many other patterns. The best thing about string art is that you do not need expensive material. Choose your favorite color and start creating your own design. Every line of string add a new shape and make the artwork more beautiful. These designs are perfect for wall decoration, bedroom, living room, or even as a handmade gift. So if you love creative and easy crafts, string art is a wonderful idea to try. Trendy style. Looking for a creative idea to decorate your home? String art can be perfect choice. It looks modern, handmade, and very unique. And friends, viewers, you can use simple color for an elegant look or bright color for a fun design. For simple flower to beautiful geometric pattern, there are so many ideas to explore. You can also make personal string art with names, letters, or special shape. It is easy, affordable, and enjoy to make. Let this beautiful string art ideas inspire your next dear project. And viewers, relaxing. There's something special about handmade art. String art turns simple thread into beautiful design. Each piece is made with fantasy, creative, and love. You can create soft flower pattern, simple shape, or colorful wall art. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.